Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare FastAPI versus DRF. FastAPI is a modern, high-performance web framework for building APIs, leveraging Python type hints. DRF, or Django REST Framework, extends the robust Django framework, offering a comprehensive toolkit for rapid API development. While both are excellent choices, FastAPI often boasts significantly faster execution speeds, sometimes up to 300% quicker, due to its asynchronous capabilities. DRF, however, provides a more integrated and opinionated approach within the Django ecosystem. Let's dive into key features and the developer experience. FastAPI shines with its automatic interactive API documentation, powered by OpenAPI and JSON schema, making API exploration effortless. It uses Pydantic for data validation, ensuring robust and clear data models. DRF, on the other hand, integrates seamlessly with Django's powerful ORM and serializers, providing a familiar and consistent data handling approach for Django developers. While DRF offers excellent tools, its documentation often requires more manual setup. Considering use cases, FastAPI is a fantastic choice for building high-performance, asynchronous microservices, and real-time applications where speed is paramount. Its modern design makes it perfect for new projects. DRF, however, is often preferred for larger, more complex, data-driven applications that already leverage the full power of the Django framework. Both frameworks enjoy strong community support. FastAPI's community is rapidly expanding, while DRF benefits from the long-standing and vast Django ecosystem. Finally, let's consider the learning curve and ecosystem. FastAPI is generally considered easier to pick up for developers familiar with modern Python, especially due to its clear type hints and intuitive design. DRF, while powerful, does require a solid understanding of the broader Django framework, which can be a steeper initial learning investment. FastAPI's ecosystem thrives on modern asynchronous tools, while DRF offers unparalleled integration with the extensive and mature Django project ecosystem, providing a wealth of ready-to-use components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.